Salut, c'est David. J'espère que vous allez bien aujourd'hui. I hope everybody is doing well today. Go over to FrenchLearner.com and subscribe for your daily French Word of the Day lesson. I guarantee it, they are awesome. Today we're going to look at how to pronounce the TH sound in French. I've been teaching French since 2014 and this subject's come up over and over again over the years. The rule is way easier than you'd ever expect. When you see a French word spelt with TH, simply ignore the H and pronounce the T. So how we'll do this is I have a list of words in French with TH. I'll read the words in French, then in English, then we'll look at some example sentences. Let's begin. Mathematics, les mathématiques. Mathematics, les mathématiques. You can also say les maths for math. So as I just said, you simply ignore the H. Les mathématiques. Je suis nul en mathématiques. Je déteste les maths. Mathematics. I'm lousy at mathematics. I hate math. Let's continue. Our next word is sympathique, which means nice. Sympathique. So again, you completely ignore the H. Sympathique. Sentence. Julie is a very nice girl. Julie est une jeune fille très sympathique. A young, nice girl. Julie est une jeune fille très sympathique. Our next word is Edith. So in French, the TH, you just pronounce the T, and you get Edith, as in Edith Piaf, the singer. My favorite Edith Piaf song is La Vie en Rose. Ma chanson favorite d'Edith Piaf est La Vie en Rose. One more time. So my favorite Edith, no TH, pronounce the T, Piaf song is La Vie en Rose. Ma chanson favorite d'Edith Piaf est La Vie en Rose. Our next word is another one similar to mathématiques at the beginning of the lesson where people make a mistake. It is athletic in French is athlétique. So again, you completely ignore the H and just say the T. Sentence. Marie is a very athletic woman. Marie est une femme très athlétique. Notice my liaison on the très. Très athlétique. One more time. Marie is a very athletic woman. Marie est une femme très athlétique. Our last word is on the list, but it's very obvious how to pronounce it. The word is tea. So the word for tea in French is simply le thé. So it's T-H-E with an accent aigu or an upward slanting accent over the E. So, le thé. Sentence. Do you prefer to drink tea or coffee? Préférez-vous boire le thé ou le café? One more time. Préférez-vous boire le thé ou le café? So that last one is pretty obvious because you definitely would never read tea in French as le thé. Et voilà, c'est la fin de la leçon. So from here on out, you'll always know what to do when you read a TH in French. Ignore the H and say the T. Merci beaucoup. Je vous souhaite une super journée. Au revoir.